full of flavor, colors and aromas. This classic pad thai is packed with lots of proteins and nutrients and is simply irresistible. Hi everyone, this is Darshi and welcome back to my Sugarush kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a very colorful, protein-packed classic pad thai. For that, I'm going to start by making the sauce. I have half a cup of soy sauce. This is the kikkoman soy sauce. I like to use this because it's very light and it's very aromatic and full of flavor. I'm going to add just 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce for the color. 1 teaspoon of peanut butter, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chili flakes, and a 1/4 cup of honey. Let's give it a quick stir. So the sauce for the pad thai is now ready. I'm going to keep this aside. Now add half a teaspoon of oil in a pan. I'm going to saute tofu. Sprinkle some salt and pepper. I'm going to gently toss them. I'm going to let this cook for another 1 or 2 minutes until all the sides are equally cooked. My tofu is now ready. I'm going to remove it in a dish. I'm now going to cook my rice noodles. I have 150 grams of 5mm rice noodles. Place them in boiling hot water. Rice noodles generally cook really fast, so this shouldn't take more than 2 minutes. The noodles are now soft. I'm going to pour them over a sieve. Now in another pan, heat 1 teaspoon of oil. Add 1 medium-sized onion thinly sliced and 1 carrot thinly sliced. Cook this for about a minute. Now add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and 1 cup of mixed red and yellow peppers thinly sliced. So I'm now going to bring all the vegetables to one side. Crack 1 egg and quickly stir it with the chopstick. Once the egg is almost cooked, mix all the ingredients together. So once the vegetables are slightly cooked, I'm going to add the noodles first. The tofu which we cooked. 1/3 cups of green gram sprouts. 1/3 cups of roughly chopped peanuts. A 1/4 cup of coriander. I'm going to squeeze lemon juice from 1 full lemon. And finally, I'm going to add the sauce which I prepared. Now give it a quick stir. Using tongs will be much easier. The noodles have been cooking for about 2 minutes now and the ingredients have all been really well incorporated. I'm going to turn off the gas and place it on a serving dish. I'm now going to add some roasted peanuts garnish it with some coriander and serve with a lime veg. My version of a classic pad thai is now ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to your experience on this recipe in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more.